Hello friends, welcome to Office Platform Santosh this side. Today we will see how we can generate a random list from a custom list. Suppose I have a custom list, I want to generate the random numbers only from this custom list. So over here you can see the numbers against these names are getting randomly generated from this custom list. So let us see how we can do the same. We have the custom list over here and we want to get the random numbers to be generated from this custom list over here. For that we will use a formula which will include index, rand between and count a. Let us see how we can use these functions and get the desired result. We will start with index function. It asks for an array from which the numbers of the custom list will be generated. So this is the list F4. Now index always asks for the row number. The row number via against which the number is present. So if I say row number 1, the number 1 will be populating over here. If I say row number 2, it will give us the data from the custom list as 5. To generate that, we will use the function rand between. What rand between does is that rand between will generate a series of numbers between 1 to the last number. So we have 7 rows over here. So rand between will generate the 7 numbers, random numbers anywhere between 1 and 7. So starting with bottom will be 1, and over here it will count the number of lists that the list has the number. Count a, and this is the list. F4 close, count a is closed, rand between is closed, and index is closed. So count a will give the count of cells that has numbers or which are not blank, and rand between will generate a series of numbers between 1 and the total of 7, and that rand between number will act as the row number via against which we will get this list. 15. If you see over here, we have the numbers which have been generated anywhere between 1, 5, 8, 20, 15, 55, 60. We will not see any number which is outside this list. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.